Have you ever wanted to make a bag but felt intimidated by the time and complexity you felt were involved? Introducing the Bella Mini Handbag, a course designed to teach you all the technical bag making skills you need in a fun-sized package. Perfect for beginners who want to use small pieces of leather to practice on, to advanced crafters who want a quick weekend project, or even to try exotic skins. This step-by-step video project comes complete with a PDF pattern pack you can print at home to simplify the process. In no time, you'll have your very own luxury handbag you can hold in the palm of your hand. Including the shoulder strap, you'll be able to carry cards, cash, lip balm, keys, and other small accessories. For carrying phones, simply print a larger pattern and get crafting today. For more information and to join thousands of other masterclass members already getting started, head to leathercraftmasterclass.com. Hi, my name is Philip, your Leathercraft instructor, and this is the Leathercraft Masterclass.